All right, question number 3, we want to consider the function f of t is equal to 5, and a is going to be the real number -3. We're going to find and graph the area function ax is equal to integral from a to x f of t dt for f. All right, so I'm going to show you the power rule in action. We are going to do a of x, the area function. They told us a was -3, so we're going to integrate from -3 to x f of t, which is 5 dt. All right, so the power rule goes like this. We're going to have some number or something to a power. In this case, we don't have an x or a variable. It would be t, but it's understood to the 0 power. We are going to add 1 to that exponent and then divide by that new exponent, whatever it is. This is the power rule. So in this case, I do not have a variable. I'm going to add 1. So this will be 5t to the first power now because it was 0. And then we're going to evaluate this from -3 to x. The way this works, you plug in the upper limit, 5x. Now I'm leaving off the plus c because they're going to cancel out. So we'll get a 5x minus, and then you plug in the -3, so it'll be 5 times -3. And so we get 5x, -15 minus a negative becomes +15. So our area function is equal to 5x plus 15. Now, if we were to graph 5x plus 15, that is a linear function. Crossing the x-axis at 15, going up to the right, up 5, right 1. The only two that looks like possible are A and C. Let's zoom in and get a little bit closer. Let's assume we're counting about 5s, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. I think that looks good. We're counting by 5s. We go up 5, right 1. Get to see what these axes are counting by. So -3, so these look like they're counting by 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So if I went up 5 and right 1, I should be on the line, not in between. So this one is not going to be okay. X-axis counted by 1. Let's check A. 5, 10, 15. 1, 2, 3 looks good. So up 5, right 1. So the y-axis counted by 5, x-axis counted by 1. This will be the correct graph. So A would be the correct graph. All right, now we're going to find the derivative of AX. Again, using the power rule, we have 1. We're going to multiply by 1. And then subtract 1 from that power. Now, usually I'm not showing all this, but 1 minus 1 is 0, so that'll just be 1. And then derivative of a constant is 0. So this ends up being zeros out. 5 times 1 is 5, which is what they told us f of t was in the beginning. All right, so a prime of x is equal to f of x. That is a true statement.